Margaritaville in Dallas. Anyway, I wanted to thank everybody for entering our little retweet the URL contest. So I've got everybody here. I'm going to throw everybody in the official Packer Game Used helmet. And we'll just mix it up a little bit. And this will be our first winner. And for that, you are going to get a on-field Reebok Aaron Rodgers extra large with the captain's patch, $179 value jersey. Anyway, this is going to happen every week, and we are 12-0. We're going to be 13-0 hopefully after this weekend. Please join us up there. We'll be at the Oakland game at the Days Inn parking lot with Jack Link's Jerky. You can eat Jack and Sasquatch. And then next week we'll be in Kansas City in parking lot M. So anyone planning, just DM me. I'll get you all the information. Again, we sold 35 jerseys this week off of your retweets, so hoping to do 100 next week. Thank you, and